In my last video about how I made money for my first PC, a bunch of you kept asking the same thing. How did you do it? What was the method? Can I try that now? And look, I get it, but honestly, those methods I used, they were solid 5 years ago. Today they are dead, like completely gone. That stuff's being milked dry. If you try it now, you won't make a cent. So instead of clinging to the past, let's talk about what actually works right now. And no, I'm not one of those sketchy YouTubers trying to scam you with fake money-making schemes. I'm just a tech guy, and I made this video because you guys kept asking. If you don't believe me, that's totally fine. You can click off, no hard feelings. But if you're still watching, let's talk real side hustles that any student can do to save up for their first PC. No hype, no fluff. I won't lie, it's gonna take effort. But once you figured it out, the money starts coming in, and that PC won't feel so far away. Now let's get started. Number 1. Digital products. First up, digital products. Think of them as stuff you sell online, but they are not physical. You don't have to ship anything, no warehouse, no delivery guys, just something you made with your skills and it sells over and over again. And that's what makes it passive income. You can sell it while you're asleep, while you're out with friends, whatever. Once it's up and running, it kinda runs itself. The best part, it's cheap to start. You don't need storage, shipping, or anything physical. You just create once and sell it 1,000 times. Anyone from anywhere. The US, Brazil, Europe, Asia can buy it, as long as they have internet. Now, can you actually make money from it? Absolutely, but you need to offer something valuable, something people need. Like, say someone wants to learn English to get a better job, and you speak English well. You record a course, 40 lessons, teaching from scratch, upload it to Payhip or Etsy, someone buys it for $400, the site takes $20, and you kept the rest. And the best part, you didn't even need to be online when it sold. You just set up a few ads, check in now and then, and it keeps going. That's how you fund your first PC, then maybe your first car, maybe more. What kind of digital products work best? You could sell AI prompts. There's a huge demand for that now. People actually don't know how to talk to AI properly, but if you do, you can sell prompts like templates. Or if you know how to make beats or sound effects, package them into sound packs for editors. Editors love this stuff, especially when it saves them time. Or maybe you're into photography, upload your shoots to Shutterstock or iStock and let the platform do the work. You don't even need to build an audience. The site brings buyers to you. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine. There are downsides. First, it's hard in the beginning. You'll need to learn how to make a solid product. That takes time. Then comes marketing. You either pay for ads or spend time building your own presence on TikTok, YouTube, whatever. And finally, updates. Some digital products get outdated fast. So if you're selling a guide or a course, you'll need to update it regularly to stay relevant. You could turn it into a membership model, but that's a whole other level. Anyway, that's the first legit way to make money for your first PC. Now let's talk about the next one. Number 2, Amazon Associates. Alright, so now let's talk about Amazon Associates. Basically, this is how it works. You get a special link from Amazon, someone clicks it, buys something, and boom, you get a cut of the price. The commission depends on the category. Sometimes it's tiny like 1%, sometimes 3 or 4%, and sometimes as high as 8-10%. I've actually been doing this for about 3 months now, and I'm already pulling around $100 a month. And here's the funny part, I'm barely even trying. I've just got some dry links sitting under my videos, not even mentioning the product most of the time. So yeah, $100 for basically nothing. Now imagine if you actually promoted those products properly with good marketing. Even with a small audience, you could easily cross $1,000 a month. And here's why I like it. These are real physical products, but you don't handle shipping, storage, or any of that boring stuff. Amazon does it all. You just sit back and once your links are out there, you keep working 24/7. While you're asleep, someone across the world might click and buy and you still get paid. That's the global passive income dream right there. Now, how do you actually make money with it? Well, there are a few ways. The first one is short-term content. People are glued to their phones, scrolling Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, you know how it is. So imagine you film a quick video about one product, post it everywhere, and then tell people link in the bio. If they click and buy within 24 hours, you get the commission. Easy as that. The other way is long-form content, which is what I do. You make quality videos, build some trust, fast and recommend products that are actually worth it. But seriously, don't push garbage just to make a buck. Viewers are tired of that, and YouTube doesn't reward it anymore. And if you don't want to make content, that's fine too. You can just run ads, pay other creators, pay platforms, and get your links out there faster. You'll spend money instead of time. But if you do it smart, you'll make that money back even quicker. At the end of the day, there's no one perfect method. What works for me might not work for you, and vice versa. You'll have to test, learn, and figure it out. It's not easy, it takes effort, but honestly, nothing about making money ever is. Still, Amazon Associates is one of the easiest beginner-friendly ways to start. It's how you can save your first PC, and if you keep pushing, it can even turn into a serious business. No boss, no 9-to-5 grind, just you taking care of your own paycheck. Now, let's move on to the next method. Number 3. Discord server. Alright, and the last one for today is Discord. I don't think I need to explain what it is. At this point, every gamer and honestly even non-gamer know it's that place where you hop into voice chats, join communities, and maybe even end up on a random voice call with a stranger. People use it to talk, to game, to study, to work. It's basically everywhere now. But here's the thing, you can actually make money from it. Yeah, seriously. I'm not just talking about a side hustle, it can actually become a real income stream. The only catch is it's not exactly passive. Let me explain. So how does Discord make you money? Well, you need a community first, something people care about. It could be gamers, students, editors, designers, whatever. If you create something valuable like a server where people connect and find a solution to their problems, you can start monetizing it. First, you've got roles. In Discord, roles aren't just for show. They give you access to special features like exclusive voice channels, permissions, moderation tools. You can create special roles to sell them through memberships. People literally pay just to have a badge or access to some VIP stuff. Then there's donations. If your server actually helps people, you can set up something like Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon. If you're getting value, many will be happy to support it. You can also go for partnerships. If your server gets big enough, brands might reach out and offer to pay you to promote their stuff. Or if you're smart, you can use affiliate links inside the server, link out to stuff your community actually cares about and get paid when they buy. Another option, sell your own digital products inside your server. Even if only a few people buy every month, that's still income. And like I said earlier, I've already shown how you can build those products. Now yeah, let's be real, it's not gonna be easy. Building a server takes consistency. Attracting people takes work. But once that momentum starts, it snowballs. One guy brings in 2 friends, they bring 2 more, and boom, it starts to grow. But to get there, the value has to be real. No one's joining a dead server with nothing useful going on. So here's the final takeaway. Today I showed you 3 hard but powerful ways to make money online: digital products, Amazon links, and Discord. And sure, they're not easy at first, but they're worth it. If you stay consistent and patient, you're not just gonna get that first PC. You'll eventually buy property, maybe even build a whole online business around it. Those struggles teach you a lot. You'll fail, you'll learn, and one day you'll be unstoppable. If you liked the video, thanks for sticking around, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.